Hey there, TRW crew. Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and this is a TRW Stone Wizard tutorial for version 2.08. Now, as many of you know, we did release our TRW mobile app, where you can do everything on our app as far as shopping, view all of our tutorial videos, get specials and all the deal of the days. You can email us, contact us. Well, what you can also do is you can send us suggestions. So we had a big giveaway the other day where we gave away some designs, and you sent in a suggestion email to us for us to get some ideas of different things you guys were looking for. So we're going to start creating some videos on all of those suggestions, and the first one here is for Sean, and Sean asked how to arc sayings on the shirts using SS10 stones. So if you haven't downloaded our app yet, make sure to just search TRW on Google Play or your app store. You can get the app. It's a free download. But what we did for Sean is we brought in one of our current designs. So this is a baseball mom design. Okay, so you can see the word baseball is arched across the top there. So what we want to do now is, let's say we want to edit this and change it to softball. Okay, so I'll show you how easy that is. So I'm going to come over here and right click this one. So basically just make a duplicate of it. Let's get rid of the word baseball here. So I'm going to delete that out. And let's just say we want to change it to softball. Okay. So softball, very easy to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my ellipse tool, and I'm going to go ahead and draw whatever type of arc I want. So I just drew an arc there. I'm going to center it there. So you can see my center points are basically with the center of my baseball or my softball there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type out whatever I need. So like I said, we're going to go with softball for this one. Now, the big benefit of the TRW Stone Wizard and your Rhinestone True Type fonts that we offer is, let's say we had a font we wanted to use, this TRW00 Mega Small. So a smaller font, we want to add a little spacing to it. So under our Edit tab in the Wizard, we can just hit the right arrow. It's going to add a little bit of spacing in between each letter if we want it to fit in here a little bit nicer. Now, bear in mind, this is not actually sized for SS10 stones yet. So Sean wanted to know how to do it for the SS10 stones, and you can do it with anything. So basically, we have our design there. We're going to go to text and then fit text to path. And when we drag it down to that path, you can see it's going to move all around with it. Once you hit that, see that red line, you know it's centered perfectly for you. So we're all centered nicely there. Let's go ahead and click it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on all of it there. And this is our ellipse tool and our text. And we're going to hit 10 to resize it to SS10s. Now it's set perfect to SS10s. Great thing about that is we can still edit this. So we've designed the actual software to be able to still edit it while you're in it. So if we wanted to change it to football, or like we said, softball, whatever we want, so it's still an actual true type font even after we sized it. Now what we can do is move it to our perfect area that we want, which is right there. And we already resized it, so we can get rid of, you can see when I click on it once, it selects everything, the text and the ellipse tool. If I click on the ellipse tool again, now I have just the ellipse tool. I hit delete. Let's get rid of that. So we're all good. We got rid of the ellipse tool. Now what we want to do is go ahead and basically cut the design. So this is all ready to go. You can see we have our mom design, we have softball, everything looks great, and all we did is use one of our Rhinestone True Type fonts to change the text around to be able to edit it into what we need. And you can see when I double click on it, it's all individual nodes now, so you can't edit the text anymore once you take that path apart and you actually break that apart. So Sean, that is how you create a Rhinestone True Type font in SS10s into an arc. So hope this video helped you out. If you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. The number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and you guys have a great day.